Good morning. This is Friday, expiration day for September. Today is the only day that we get to use this expiration day tab here, chart. Let's take a look at it because we're going to show this one today. As you can see, it looks a little bit different, some different stocks here. What happens here is when we're out of the money but close to the money, it lights up. If it's red, that means above the strike price, and so we're waiting for it to come down. When it comes down and goes into the money, now we're going to get a great delta on this, and we're only going to pay a few pennies for the options when they're out of the money on expiration day. So this is a real good performer, but you've got to be careful because be aware that if you don't liquidate your positions by the end of the day, you could lose it all. So, be very careful. This is a very risky endeavor, but has the potential to be highly profitable. Okay, so we're looking here just at before the market's open, so we want it to come down. And when this AMAT here, when this also indicates red, that's telling you that there's negative pressure on that stock. So look for something down here to be a color, and for the color to match, and then buy the appropriate direction. Of course, if it's green, you're going to be looking at calls. If it's red, you're going to be looking at puts. It's just that easy. So here's how she looks after the market's open. We've got same directional strength that we've all become accustomed to watching. Let's see if we have a play here. On the expiration day tab, AMAT is red here, it's green here, so it's not a play. Dell. Okay, Dell is waiting to become a play. It's not one yet when it's blue. EMC, red and green, not a play. Okay, Dell, green, green. It's green, they say, on the far. Oh, so Dell's a play. So let's take a look here and see what we can do. And Dell was green, so we're looking at calls. We buy this one right here. It's 8 and 10 cents. Okay, 08 and 10. I like that. That's a pretty decent spread. So let's see what happens. Oh, we're 9 and 12 right now. So we're getting, oh, there we go, 10 and 12. So we've got our money back. While we're waiting for something to happen with Dell, let's take a look. Okay, NEM, red here, red here. So NEM, red being put. Let's see if we can make some money with this. NEM, puts. Wow, they're pretty expensive. 39 and 43. Okay, that's for the $46 put. 30. Okay, it just went 37 and 41. So there we go. We'll take 41. Thank you very much. Look at that, 42.47. So we're a cent up. We paid 41. It was 37.41. Now we can sell it for 42, so we're a cent up. And now we're 2 cents up, 43.46, but that's okay. 41 to 43, that's a quick 2 cents. That took about 5 seconds, I think. And now it's 44.47. Let's take a look, see if there are any other candidates. AMAT, red and green. AUI, red and green. Dell, well, it's still sitting there trying to make up its mind. EMC, the same thing. HAL, Halliburton, is red and red, so that could be a play. HAL, red, meaning that it's a put. Let's see. Okay, 16 and 18. 16 and 18, so they said that at 19. That's for the $28 puts. 17, 18, look at that. 19, 19 and 21. Look at that. I just put my pen down. We're in a profit. But it moves fast. Of course, a lot of this would depend on what commissions you're being charged. And that's a whole different discussion. We won't get into that because really everybody has their own service provider. Well, the Halliburton is now 21 24. So we're up a few cents. We're getting there. You just better have nerves of steel when you're doing this. Now we're at 22.24. So we're up 4 cents. See that? There, I've just been quiet and let you observe, because that's the way it's going to be when you subscribe. You're not going to have me sitting beside you giving you a narration. So you get to watch it yourself. But you saw it go from, well, we bought it was 16.18, and it went up, you saw it go up to 32.34. Now it's starting to fall back down to 28 and 30, but still, you know, an 18 buy, a 32 sell, and that was all within a few minutes. And that's the way you do the expiration play. Let's take a look at some of the other plays. Oh, there we go. There's Newmont, NEM. We were looking at the 46 puts. It was 37 and 41. And it's now, where is it? 46, right there. $1.02 and $1.06. So we've made more than 100% on our money on that play. There's 2 out of 2. How about Dell? That was a bit of a loser, but we'll see. That was for the calls. They were 08 and 10, and right now they're losing. So Dell's not one that I normally would play, but anyhow, just to let you know that you can lose. AMAT, we were looking at the $13 puts, 5 and 10, and that's exactly what they were. So it hasn't moved at all. And we looked at one more, which was Motorola. It was 4 and 6. It's now 1 and 3. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. And how are we doing now? AMAT is green and red, not a play. JP Morgan, JPM, red and green, not a play. Newmont, red, and NEM, red. So that's a play right there, NEM. It's a play to the downside. And actually, we've dropped toward strike price for NEM. So that looks like it's collapsing. And Valero is green and green if you want to look at something different. Let's take a look at Valero. So we're green in both places, telling you that it's ready to be a call purchase. So VLO. Valero. Whoa. 19 and 20 right now. There it is. 19 and 20 for the $21 calls. 19 and 20. So let's watch it. It's starting to come, 21 and 22. So we're 1 cent in the money right now on Valero. 22, 23. So we're 2 cents to the good. 23, 24, 24, 25. So I guess we're waiting for that bid to hit 25. That would make it a nickel gain. Take a look at NEM. We had the $46 puts. Right there, it's now 58.59. It was 37.41. So what's that? 17 cents. So I hope it's starting to make sense to you.